Hello and welcome. We are so glad you are here. Through this course, we will take you through a review of fluid dynamics concepts, the math and physics that make computational fluid dynamics modeling possible, the detailed steps of setting up, launching, and analyzing CFD models, and many sets of practice problems, activities, and assessments all in STAR CCM+. The flow path here briefly outlines the material that will be covered. The course is broken down into 5 regions. Region 0, a course intro. Region 1, an intro to CFD. Region 2, canonical problems. Region 3, the CFD process. And Region 4, practice problems. First, Region 1 will briefly introduce the course and outline course progression. Next, Region 2 will begin to dive into the background of CFD through a review in fluid dynamics and an introduction to CFD concepts. Region 3 will demonstrate the power of CFD and how it can be used to provide insight into canonical fluid dynamics applications. Region 4 will begin the deep dive into the CFD process and will walk you through the steps of setting up and solving CFD models. Region 5 will provide the opportunity to practice and extend the skills learned through example problem statements. From beginner to expert, we anticipate that everyone will gain valuable CFD insight and experience through this course. CFD novices and experienced CFD engineers alike will build on their knowledge of basic fluid dynamics, master the fundamentals of CFD, learn how to apply CFD to real-world applications, and gain a solid intuition in both fluid dynamics and CFD while becoming valuable resources and furthering their careers. In addition, students will have one-on-one time with the Resolved Analytics team and be plugged into a community of CFD users. All that being said, our biggest goal is to pass on the knowledge we have gained over decades of experience to help you become a next-level CFD engineer and an asset in your field through a course that is dynamic, interactive, and most importantly, interesting.